Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
Wait, are we in line?
We're up.
We are a family, like a giant tree. What movie is that again?
Dreamgirls with
Oh, and I am telling you. Between the sheets.
Wow, okay.
Anyways, what are we doing now?
So we're about to do the sneaky link.
Oh, child, I was never a sneaky link. Were you a sneaky link?
No, I wasn't, but why did you have to think about that?
Because I'm intoxicated right now.
Okay. So, yeah.
Wait. Wait.
Oh, you're going to open
Somebody
up.
cheated. You know what? It's a soft touch. I'm not going to even get into it. God forbid we talk somebody up and they show up at the door.
Oh, let's go ahead and finish what has to be finished.
No
Sneaky
piercing on this
link.
lip.
Go ahead. So, let's go through the ingredients and then try this out. Okay, so I think both of us, based on these ingredients, think this is gonna be sweet as hell. But we're gonna find out, right? We're gonna find out.
I like mixing wine with liquor, but go ahead, I'm listening.
It can be dangerous. It can be dangerous. Okay, so the cognac of choice in this particular instance is Dusse.
Dusse.
Okay, we also have some pink Moscato. We got some raspberry syrup.
Ooh.
We got some strawberry syrup.
Ooh.
And then we're garnishing with raspberries.
Ooh. Raspberry.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started.
And you know what's crazy is, I don't know if it's just because of this particular wine that we got, but it says tasting notes, raspberry and peach, so
Well,
a win is a win.
It's very close then.
I can still read, friends, so I'm
Good
not
job.
there yet. Woo chow. All right, let's go.
Okay, so you can start off.
Why do I have everything on my side? This is not fair.
That's what
This is giving a very strong message that I'm looking real bad right now.
That's okay. Go ahead and start with either of the syrups because they're both half an ounce. Either of the syrups.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. So
You're
excited. Half an ounce on that one.
Okay. Ooh, I don't even remember the last time we used this.
Well, now I'm scared.
It's been
Are we doing expired stuff?
Is there expiration?
I don't know, but you know what? We're not asking any questions.
All right, next ingredient, what is it?
Okay, well, the Moscato is 3 ounces of that.
3 ounces?
3 ounces, baby.
Ooh, child. All right, let's let that dangle there. That's what I like. Oh.
And for the Dusse, we are gonna do 1.5 ounce of the Dusse.
Ooh, 1.5.
1.5. They said we would like
I need help. I need an adult. You're the more of an adult than I am.
I am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Wait.
1.5. Yep, half. Okay. Okay, 1/2 ounce of that. And at this point, we're ready to shake.
Oh, we're shaking now?
We're shaking. Okay.
I have mixed feelings about this.
Yeah, I don't, ooh, I just made a mess.
Like, he's cute.
Ooh, be careful.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, we just made a mess.
Ooh. Ooh.
But like we realized it at the same time.
I barely passed physics.
I think I'm just gonna, I think the Moscato is a little
bubbly.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
I'm only doing this so I could at least get the garnish in there.
Mm.
We have raspberries for garnish.
I'm gonna just put that in there now. So
that was smart. That's smart. That's smart.
Floaty. Float.
I mean, it's pretty.
I'm a piranha. Ooh, this must be Bounty.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, I already tasted it because I had to get the garnish in there. So you go ahead and taste it and okay, so is it my turn?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's my initial analysis. It isn't bad or good, a note out of your book, but it's very black. I feel like black people like this. I feel like niggas like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it.
Is it giving Taylor Port?
It's giving typical black drink summertime of the recipes that I've seen from a cultural standpoint. Strawberry syrup, cognac. We even had a raspberry syrup. Pink Moscato, which is already, Moscato itself is already sweet.
You know what? You're absolutely right. And the bougie black people,
yes,
they don't go to Henny, they go to Dusse.
Dusse, yes.
This is definitely, this is giving, yeah. Right
I like Dusse,
on the mark.
and I like Dusse, I do.
This is a
respect
bougie black person that thinks she's entitled, lower than a Karen, higher than the typical black person. You know, kind of like one of those, you remember in the news, the squatter?
The squatter chick.
Yeah.
Wow, she was
and
diabolical.
Then, not only go to trial, whatever, and then went right back to the house.
Back. That by definition is diabolical.
The entitlement is crazy.
Okay, so, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and give it like a 5. It's actually, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste bad, but it's really sweet. And my problem with sweet, sugary drinks is that this is the type of things that lead to hangovers and headaches. So it could be like, oh my gosh, this tastes so good. But then if you have like 2-3 of these, it's giving, I'm about to have a sugar and alcohol headache at the same time. And I don't think that's a smart, I don't think it's a smart venture.
I can see that.
Yeah, so.
For me, yes, everything that we have set up into this point, it is actually factual in my book. I'm going to give this a solid 6. It's not that I don't like it. I don't really care for too much of a sweet drink, but I also don't hate it. I just see this being drinking. I've been drinking watermelon. Okay. I would say this around like Valentine's Day. Or anniversary or like Christmas. I don't know. Some special occasion.
I do think if you're having sort of like a gallon's time.
There we go.
Or like a bridesmaid situation.
Bridesmaids.
I think this is cute, but certainly do not give this to your party in a large amount.
Yeah.
Then everyone's gonna be sick.
And it's not, I'm not a raspberry friend. Look, friend. Wow. Ooh, child.
Try again.
Ooh,
Try again.
Ooh, child.
Ooh, child.
I'm not a raspberry person. I do not care for raspberries. I don't like the taste as much. I'm not a fan of it. However, the raspberries does settle out with the other berries, which is strawberry in this case.
Yeah.
And it's fine. I hope I'm not coming off too black or too bougie or
No.
It's too black for me.
No, it is. No, like I get what you're I get what you're trying to say.
I feel like this is the hood black. I just made it out type vibe.
But
I don't care for it. I like sophisticated, more elevated things and simple things. Let me put it simple.
Yeah.
I like old fashions. I like Manhattans. I like basic shit. I like strong shit. I like stuff that's balanced. And this is not balanced.
This is
more on the sweeter side.
This is what I will say. If
you don't mix barefoot with, you don't have to choose this brand, all right? Black, okay? And if you choose, what's the other wine brand? XXL.
Yeah, but even like, okay, it's a Moscato. So like it actually at this rate, I'm not gonna hold you. It doesn't matter what brand you pick, it's low level. Because the Moscato is a low level.
Moscato, all the blacks like it. And when I'm not being racist and I'm not being judgmental or anything like that, but let's just be for real. Our people love to hit a Moscato.
They do. They like that.
Y'all
blue,
are famous.
The blue Moscato, the blue one.
Not only barefoot, the XXL, the what's the ones we did for the champagne tastings?
I know, I'm blanking on it.
Anyways, y'all know what y'all are. Taylor Port, y'all are the lower end of the scale. But anyways, Taylor Port, all of that, y'all know black is black, and power to my people. But
yes,
we got to get out of the struggle. Okay, we need to elevate our palates a little bit, and this is a start.
Okay, like to kind of just like play it middle of the field, because I actually don't disagree with you at all. But to play it middle of the field, this is a cute entry, like, okay, let's say you're doing like
Special
a bridesmaid
event.
thing.
Yeah.
Entry level drink, just one, okay? But this does tend to be the type of drinks that we see going viral, particularly around like summertime.
TikTok.
Lots of syrups,
Instagram.
lots of like, you know, a little bit of liquor, but lots of syrup. If you can't handle a like strong drink, that is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But also, I do want to let you know you're signing yourself up for a hangover and a headache if you put too much sugar in your drink.
What is it called? It's technically a sugar rush.
I mean, it's just a sugar rush. The Moscato itself already has a lot of sugar, right? It's a sugary wine, okay?
A wine hangover and a spirit hangover,
that's
totally
the
two different
worst.
things, and combining together is
Then
crazy.
you have two different syrups available to you in this drink, and the only other ingredient is the liquor. So it's fine if you're doing one drink, but if you are trying to drink multiple of these, you're gonna be really sick. So I just wouldn't recommend it. I just wouldn't recommend. And with that, camera lady, you're not gonna want to eat that, and we need that for our thing.
We didn't pay her for cameras yet.
Oh, we didn't pay her for camera? What we pay her for? Just
help her.
Incidentals. Incidental lady, don't do that. That's not gonna vibe well with you.
She's in an advisor training right now. She's not there yet.
We're training her up in the way. So
Fortunately,
that
we're
she
not
has
accepting
skills.
anything she's advising.
Not this time. But you know what?
I'm Brittany, and this is double A. Well, wait, triple A.
Triple A.
Oh God, I'm in the wrong class. Let's go.
Put it back. That being said, it's time for round 2 of trivia.
I beg your
Meow,
pardon.
meow, meow.
What trivia? Oh God.
So
hold on. Wait.
Hold on.
Making my brain right.
To set the record straight, your choices, should you lose, are a shot or to chug your drink. I don't think you want to chug this drink, so onward march. First question.
I'm gonna have to call Uber.
What does the acronym LLS mean?
Laughing like shit.
Oh, damn, she quick as shit. I might have to eat this one up.
Who went to Curacao for their birthday and almost drowned in the pool?
Brittany! Brittany!
Give it to her. I was a little slow.
Cause I seen that shit and I laughed.
Up in the club and we start wildin'. These niggas out here snitching. They with the rat pack.
Not just anybody. You know I need someone.
I almost died.
What are the names of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus?
Ooh. should know this.
Purple, orange,
What?
No. Okay.
big hair.
You know what's so crazy?
Luann?
I'm embarrassed. I should know this and I just don't.
Professor Watts.
I think we can.
Pocus.
No, the names.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy,
No.
shimmy.
So we're gonna go ahead and you're gonna tell us what it is. This is an even fail on our
Wait,
part.
is her name Annie?
Hell no.
Fuck me, bro.
Answer: Winifred, Mary,
Yes.
and Sarah.
You're right.
Those are
I knew
ugly
when you said Winifred, I said yeah, but I really didn't know the other two
You
names.
said Winter Fresh.
What is the tallest building in Dubai?
Oh my god.
Tabernacle.
The Taj, the
Taj Mahal.
No, that's in India, bitch.
Oh.
I cannot remember. I see it.
The
I
Holy
cannot-
Grail. Me, bro.
We might be both taking a shot on this one.
All right, I got
What is
one.
the actual name?
The Burj Khalifa.
I couldn't remember.
Wiz Khalifa there?
No, not Wiz Khalifa.
Oh.
What is the name of Michelle Obama's 2018 memoir?
My Michelle?
I hate you. What?
That's not what it's called. I'm really up. Camera.
You know what the sad part is? It's in my office right now.
In my mind.
And I read it and it's a really good book.
It's called In My Mind. She knows she's that girl.
I feel I just deserve this shot.
My
because
Obama?
my brain is not working. My Obama?
Obamacare.
Oh, go away. It's fine. I accept this shot.
Becoming.
Becoming.
What day is Star Wars Day?
May 4th.
Yeah, she got me on that. And to be honest, she did lose the last round.
I won.
You did win.
And I don't remember none of it. But we're gonna replay this tape later.
Just so you know, you won because I'm inebriated and couldn't remember Michelle Obama's book, because I would have took you out from that. Ahoy.
Who would have thought of becoming? Like, that's just not a title. That's a word. Wait. I'm
All right.
Because I couldn't have did it. I wouldn't have made it.
You wouldn't have. You would. I low key. I kind of had to take this L. She's already down for the count, friends. But
Almost.
this gonna go in the trash because this is a headache in the making.
I might as well finish mine.
We'll be back for round 5. Did you put up a 2? Jesus Christ, we are in trouble. We'll be back for 5.